how you guys doing? Hope everyone is doing well. It's so boring to stay at home, therefore I bought this remote control Jeep for some outdoor activities. Alright, let's unbox this. Okay, this is what's inside the box. The Jeep itself, the controller, one charging cable which is very important, and one screwdriver, and then the manual. Right, that's all. Okay, first let's take the measurement of this Jeep. Right, I'm using this Xiaomi electronic ruler. I've done a video out of this. You guys can watch it if you haven't done so. First, we'll take measurement from the length. Alright, start from here, go, right, until here. It's about 27.9. Alright, and for the width, we'll start from here. Alright, go. Alright, it's about 16.9. Alright, let's take a look at the features of this Jeep. This one can be open up to put your USB cable, right? And then the battery compartment is right beneath here. Basically, it uses a lithium battery for powering up this Jeep. Alright, it can be disconnected by pressing this connector here, and you can easily pull up this thing. So you can use this little cable to charge this battery. So same thing, there's one way only, one way direction. Right, just plug it in, and then this part you can use a power bank to charge it. Right, so in case there's any damage of wiring or the battery bloating, you need to change out the battery, alright, for safety reason. After installing this battery, you can actually secure this part with this little screw provided. Alright, and then the on off switch is over here. This is the controller, up down, left right, and the battery compartment is over here. It requires a 2x AA battery. Alright, and then you can secure it with a little screw over here. So let's power up this Jeep. So on it, okay, you can see the light blinking. So we just press this. Okay, they are already paired. So this is to on and off the light. Okay, this is just a two-wheel drive Jeep, as you can see. And then this is for direction. So if you want to tune the direction, you can use it. You can do it over here. So if the Jeep tends to go more right, you can adjust this accordingly. Alright, this is for the fine tuning. And for the 4 tires, it is actually a rubber type of tire with no air inside. Alright, let's go outdoor for some action. Alright, now I'm at this very beautiful lake here. This is the Bukit Gombak. Now let's test out this remote control car. Let's see if it can climb up this small hill. Okay, for a small road, we should be able to go. Uneven road, cannot make it. Let's try it again. And in conclusion, this budget Jeep is actually quite fun to play with, and with some action camera or mini camera, you can actually make some special video out of it. Alright, and I have yet to make a review out of this Akaso V50X yet. Alright, and the next one will be my flying mini drone. Alright, stay tuned for the next one, and take care everyone, and bye.